This is the luxurious, all-electric Genesis GV60. Intended for use when the vehicle is at a complete stop, the available driver's side relaxation comfort seat is designed to help shift your body into an optimized, relaxed position. To activate the relaxation seat function, press this switch for a little more than half a second. You will then see an alert appear on the infotainment screen. When you see this alert, press the same switch again for a little more than half a second. If you do not press this switch again within 5 seconds, the relaxation seat function will not be activated. When relaxation comfort seat is activated, the seat cushion will be moved forward or rearward automatically, and the seat back angle will automatically be adjusted. Please note that shifting the vehicle out of park or fastening the rear seatbelts will automatically deactivate the relaxation comfort seat function. To manually deactivate the relaxation comfort seat function, press the front portion of the switch. The seat will then return to its original position. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.